Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for an ID holder or a wallet to put on the back of your phone? You're going to love this one from PopSocket. This beautiful wallet is where function meets fashion. It is a faux leather iridescent snake skin design. It's sleek and it's a secure way to be able to carry your cards on your phone. It's easy to remove. You just push the top left corner and it'll slide to the right. And if you want to put it back in, you just slide it to the left until it locks. It is very secure, and another function I love is it has the famous PopSocket circle in the middle, which makes it very convenient to be able to hold your phone comfortably, either to watch something, take a picture, and it just disassembles just quite as easy. You just push it back in. And also to get your ID out of the card is also very easy. It has a little fabric on the bottom you can just push up, and there it goes. So this has been one of my favorite purchases. It's very sturdy, it's reliable. You have easy access to your ID or credit card right behind your phone. I think you're gonna really love this ID holder or wallet just as much as I do. And that's just my point of view.